You want to explain what we're doing?
We're at Bryce Canyon, which is actually an amphitheater, not a canyon. And these are the Hoodoos. It's named after Ebenezer Bryce, who was a Mormon who homesteaded here. And he had cattle down here. And he said it was a hell of a place to lose a cow. And I think that would be very true. We are at Sunrise Point.
Why we can't do Wall Street. Broken. Okay, so apparently this tree right here with the red marker is a bristlecone, which is one of the oldest tree species. Here, falls near Escalante Falls to a 126-foot waterfall.
Yeah. Yep. We're in the Grand Staircase of Utah. Archaeologists speculate on many ideas of
Mom, what did the squirrel sound like? This is a greenery right there. Right there. Old time, very old.
It is day 7 and we are at the Goosenecks.
We are hiking the trail to Hickman Bridge, which is a 133-foot long natural bridge in the Capitol Reef National Park.
Woo. So all this black rock is actually lava rock.
It's like he's posing.
I forgot to take a video when we were up there, but there it is. Land bridge. So here's a mini land bridge that we can go under. Look at that. Look at all the petroglyphs.
I know,
Kind of
it's
freaky looking.
it is. It's like, you know, you see in the movies like they're wearing all these things. Like I have all these things. Kind of makes you think that maybe they were doing
There's another one right there. We're on hike number 2.
Cassidy Arch. Capitol Reef National Park.
Tiring. We're almost there. We have to turn around. We have to turn around because it's wet and it's slippery. So we turned around. We're not going to do that. We'll go back. We are now at Goblins State Park. Okay, here we go. Okay. Woo! This is so fun. You can't do it, can you? No, I just put my face through it. Oh. Hi.
How's Goblin Valley in the rain? That's not good. Yeah, that's not good. We might have to go.
We got rained out.
Yeah. But it was fun in the rain.
That's the best one we've been to.
It was awesome.
Yeah.
Definitely go to it. The pictures don't describe what
Well,
it
you
was.
can it's the best part.
It's just free range. There's no trail. You can just run through everything.
Yeah.